I'm going to show you this STREBITO Precision Screwdriver Set. This is the 142-in-1 version. It's an electronics repair toolkit that has 120 bits and 22 different repair tools. Let me show you what's inside real quick. And my husband needed to get into an electronic component, and I went to several stores in person, and none of them carried a bit set or a repair kit that had this specific tip or bit, whatever you call it. I'm not honestly sure. This one does, and that's what makes it unique among so many other kits. This is a hard to find piece because it's like a security piece when manufacturers don't want you getting into certain electronic components because they'd rather you just buy a new one. But my husband is a tinkerer and he's going to get in there. So I was told in stores that I was unlikely to be able to find this bit even online. So anyway, don't listen to everything you hear. This set comes with even like with a suction, which is really handy if you're doing any sort of screen repair or phone repair. You can suction this down to it and then use this to sort of lift it up. It's also got handy things that you're going to need if you need to open up certain components. That's what these are also for. These are like opening picks. You can just like use the edges to stick in there. This is really nice and rubbery, super easy to grip. It's actually really comfortable. This spins around 360 degrees. This comes with multiple extender pieces. Let me show you this. This is so cool. It bends. So if you need to get inside something, but it's like a really hard to reach spot and you need to get it at an angle, look at that. Really high grade material. It's got a little tweezers. It's got lifters and pushers. This is just such a thoughtfully designed kit that is sort of an everything you need in one package deal.